Welcome all. So we shall see parallel flippers. In parallel flippers, the diode is connected across the load terminals. It can be used to clip or limit the positive or the negative part of the input signal as per the requirement. The basic parallel flipper with positive clipping is shown in this figure. The diode D is connected across the load resistance RL, which is the current controlling resistance. Assuming the diode is ideal, during positive half cycle, the diode D becomes forward biased and remains forward biased for the entire half cycle of the input. So the diode D conducts for the positive half cycle. So when the diode D conducts, we cannot get the output voltage because this is a complete circuit. Okay, it is a closed circuit. There is no voltage drop across the diode. So as RL is in parallel with diode, no current will flow through it and the output voltage will be 0 volts as shown in the figure. So diode is conducting, the current is flowing through the diode, so there is no output voltage obtained across RL. This condition remains for entire positive half cycle of the input. Thus the positive half cycle gets clipped off. During negative half cycle of the input, the diode is reverse biased and it acts as an open circuit. The entire current flows through RL. It is shown in the figure. So the diode is behaving like an open circuit. So the voltage will be dropped across RL. Okay, the output voltage will be the voltage drop across RL. Hence, VO is equal to VI into RL divided by RL plus R1. We are applying potential divider rule here. Thus, the output voltage is directly proportional to input. Okay, so we can consider RL, R1 as a constant term and we can say that the output voltage is directly proportional to the input voltage. So there exists a linear relationship between the input and output voltage. So as output is directly proportional to the input during the negative half cycle of the input, the proportionate negative half cycle is available at the output. So the output waveforms are shown in the figure. In this figure we can see that the positive half cycle is clipped off, only the negative half cycle is appearing across the output. We can draw the transfer characteristics by deriving the mathematical equations. Okay, so we can say that the output voltage is 0 for positive half cycle, that is the input voltage is greater than or equal to 0. For the input voltage less than 0, the output voltage is given by Vi into RL divided by R1 plus RL. The transfer characteristics are shown in the figure here. So making R1 much less than RL, we can say that VO is directly proportional or VO is equal to Vin. Okay, so VO can be equal to Vin if RL is much greater than R1. You can see the negative clipping also. Okay, the negative clipping with basic parallel clipper can be achieved by reversing the direction of diode. Just the previous case, the diode was facing downwards, now the diode is facing upwards. When input voltage Vin is positive, then the diode is reverse biased and it acts like an open circuit. Thus, the output voltage V0 is same as input voltage. For R1 much less than RL. Hence, the positive half cycle of the input Vin gets reproduced at the output. So this is shown in the figure. The magnitude of the output voltage is V0 is equal to Vin into RL divided by R1 plus RL. So when RL is much greater than R1, we can say that V0 will be equal to Vin. So this is true for the positive half cycle of the output. So here we can see the diode is open circuit for the positive half cycle, so it will be appearing across the output. Okay. Consider negative half cycle of Vin. As Vin decreases below 0 and becomes minus 0.7 volts, the diode becomes forward biased and starts conducting. As long as Vin is less than or equal to minus 0.7 volts, the diode should remain in on condition and the drop across it is cut-in voltage, that is V gamma is equal to 0.7 volts. It is shown. Okay, so diode is behaving like a voltage source in the conducting region because of forward voltage drop. That is why during the negative half cycle it will allow some portion of negative half cycle as well, but when the input is less than 0.7 volts, the diode will start conducting and there will be no voltage appearing across the output. So as diode and RL are parallel, the output voltage V0 is equal to the drop across the diode, that is 0.7 volts in opposite direction. Thus the entire negative half cycle gets clipped off as shown in the above figure. The overall input-output waveforms can be shown as shown in the next figure by the linear piecewise model, and the waveform of the ideal diode or approximation with V gamma is equal to 0. So this is the characteristics, okay, the transfer characteristics of the diode. So here we can see this already I have explained. During the positive half cycle, the diode is not conducting, so it will be appearing across the output. When the input goes below minus 0.7 volts, only then the diode will start conducting and we cannot get the output waveform. Okay. The second one is the ideal diode. First one is the actual diode. Second one will be the case of ideal diode. So ideal diode, there is no forward voltage drop. So during the negative half cycle, the diode is in on condition. We are not going to get the output. So during positive half cycle, the diode is in off condition. So we can get the output. So the transfer characteristic equations can be written by in the mathematical form as V0 is equal to V in when V in is less than or greater than or equal to minus V gamma, and V0 is equal to minus V gamma when V in is less than V gamma, okay, minus V gamma. So here we can see that when the diode conducts, the relationship is linear, output is equal to input, so it is a slope. When the diode is not when the diode is conducting, the output is equal to 0.7 volts minus 0.7 volts. Okay, so there is no output, or there is only an output of 0.7 volts at the output. Next we shall see what happens when there is a reference voltage. So if it is necessary to have a reference voltage level of clipping other than V gamma, then we can use external battery. A reference voltage is denoted as VR. The figure shows the basic parallel positive clipper with the reference voltage. The operation for positive half cycle of the input can be divided into two cases. The first case is Vi is positive but is less than Vr. So when Vi is positive but is less than Vr, the diode D is reverse biased and acts like an open circuit. So the equivalent circuit is shown here. Hence the output voltage V0 will be equal to Vi into RL divided by R1 plus RL. By selecting R1 much less than RL, we can approximately write it as V0 is equal to Vi. In the second case, Vi is positive and is greater than 0. Okay, assuming ideal diode, when Vi becomes greater than Vr, the diode D becomes forward biased and acts like a short circuit. So this is shown in the figure here. The output voltage is now same as the voltage of node A, which is Vr, as the drop across ideal diode on is 0. So V0 will be equal to Vr for Vi greater than Vr. When V0 again becomes less than Vr, the diode D becomes off and V0 will be approximately equal to Vi. For the entire negative half cycle of the input, Vi less than Vr, the diode D remains reverse biased, hence it acts like a open circuit. So V0 is equal to Vi into RL divided by R1 plus RL, which is approximately equal to Vi when R1 is much less than RL. So the input and output waveforms are shown here. Okay, so a part of input signal is getting clipped off. So the voltage level above Vr, when the input voltage is above Vr, then it is getting clipped off. So this is the positive clipping region. Negative half cycle is anyways going to appear across the output. So how to draw the transfer characteristics? First we have to write the mathematical equation. So VO will be equal to Vi for Vi greater than less than or equal to Vr, and Vi will be equal to Vr for Vi greater than Vr. So for Vi greater than Vr, the output voltage V0 will be equal to Vr. Otherwise it is a linear relationship between output and input. So up to so much it is called clipping region. Okay, when the diode is off. When the diode is on, it is called transmitting region. What is the effect of cutting voltage of the diode? So let the diode be non-ideal, okay, with a forward voltage drop of 0.7 volts. So Va is equal to 0.7 plus Vr for diode on. During the positive half cycle of the input voltage Vin, as long as Vin is less than or equal to Va, the diode will not conduct. But when Vin is equal to Va, the diode starts conducting and the output voltage V0 is equal to Va is equal to 0.7 plus Vr. Okay. So during the positive half cycle of the input voltage Vin, as long as when Vin is less than Va, the diode will not conduct. But when Vin is equal to Va, the diode starts conducting and the output voltage V0 will be equal to Va, that is 0.7 plus Vr. So when Vin is less than Va and throughout the negative half cycle, the diode is reverse biased and it acts like a open circuit. Hence V0 will be equal to Vin. The magnitude of V0 will remain the same as obtained before for clipper without Vr. So V0 will be equal to Vin into RL divided by R1 plus RL. This is by the voltage divider formula. So when you make R1 much less than RL, V0 can be equal to Vin. Okay, thus the entire negative half cycle is reproduced at the output. The circuit acts like a positive clipper with a clipping level as Va other than V gamma. So Va is the new clipping level here. The input-output waveforms are shown in the figure. The dashed portion of the clipping region of the circuit for ideal diode V gamma is equal to 0. Hence clipping level Va is equal to Vr. So this shaded portion is a portion where the diode is conducting. Okay, the completely darkened portion is a portion where the diode is off. So as RL is in parallel with diode, no current will flow through it and the output voltage will be 0 volts as shown in the figure. So diode is conducting, the current is flowing through the diode, so there is no output voltage obtained across RL. This condition remains for entire positive half cycle of the input. Thus the positive half cycle gets clipped off. During negative half cycle of the input, the diode is reverse biased and it acts as an open circuit. The entire current flows through RL. It is shown in the figure. So the diode is behaving like an open circuit. So the voltage will be dropped across RL. Okay, the output voltage will be the voltage drop across RL.